Previously on Phoenix Pulse Young Drivers Program, Celebrity Showdown.
Hi everyone, it's me, Michelle Marquez D.
This is Patricia Reyes. I'm Kim Miranda.
I'm Joshua Janisha.
I'm Cherry Zawa.
It's your boy Simon.
I'm Vito Marquez.
It's me, Marco Gumabaw, and I'm here at the Phoenix Pulse Young Drivers Program Celebrity Showdown.
8 celebrity racers will be competing in a Survivor-type reality show to be the next Phoenix Pulse Young Drivers Program Celebrity Showdown Champion.
Teamwork makes the dream work, and the next challenges will test the group's camaraderie. So I'm inviting you guys to check out this next episode.
For this challenge, we still have Coach Elise Minorca and Coach Cuatro, who represented the country in the Europe GT Academy. They will be your mentors to guide you and make sure to make your every move come alive on the virtual track.
For our first virtual challenge, we've got the virtual drag race. Our celebrity racers go on a head-to-head battle for this challenge. Whoever crosses the finish line with the fastest time wins the game.
Meron nangyari sa drag racing na nung ako na double shift ko, kaya bumagal ako sa una. Pero in general naman, the drag racing was really, really exciting kasi head to head.
Yung drag racing was really hard kasi yung manibela nung ginamit ko sa simulation, sobrang nagsishake siya. So akala ko dapat relax lang daw. Parang nayugyug na pati yung utak ko.
Yung online drag racing, sobrang fun niya. First time ko masubukan yon sa computer, online lang lahat. Medyo challenging lang kasi kailangan talaga tamang-tama yung gagawin mo.
It's so much harder using the actual simulators. They were telling us na parang professional drivers even use them. So, the slightest mistake, kita mo na kagad sa paggalaw ng kotse.
The official top 3 based on the results that we got. Third place goes to Marco! Yeah, he did it. All right, way to go, bro. You're part of the top 3 now. Second to the top spot with a time of 28.081. Joshua! Congratulations, Joshua.
Ayun, kabado lang kasi iniisip ko nga rin sana hindi ako maging top something na para hindi ako ma-pressure pumili ng TV. So hayaan ko na lang silang piliin ako.
And the fastest driver in the 1 kilometer drag race that happened earlier. And I'm gonna give you a clue. Well, I believe this one too. Usually girls have faster reflexes. She did it with a time of 28.069. Congratulations to the fastest driver in our drag race challenge, Michelle D.
In a way, feeling ko nga chamba yung first but as some of the coaches said nga na if you were able to do it, then mauulit at mauulit mo.
Congratulations, you guys win 5,000 pesos worth of limitless points, just like that, being the fastest drivers in their drag race challenge earlier. So big congratulations to the two of you. You win 5,000 pesos limitless points each. Just like that, 5,000 pesos worth of limitless points because you guys are the fastest. So Team Acceleration and Michelle, since you are the first one to be right here and you're the #1 driver in our drag race challenge, you'll be given a chance to select your team members first, followed by Team Power. Here we go. So Michelle, who do you pick first to be part of your team?
Marco.
Marco.
Yeah! Nakakatuwa na syempre na siya yung nanalo, siya yung first place, and I was the first one to be chosen. So, pag ganyan kasi syempre, I'd hate to be the last.
Let's go, Team Acceleration! All right. So now it's going to be your turn, Joshua, to select your first team member.
I choose Pat. Dahil nga nabigyan ako ng chance na pumili ng teammates. So yung pinili ko talagang teammates ko, hindi na ako parang nag-base sa mga kung ano man yung parang feeling ko na capabilities nila or ano yung experiences nila.
All right. Michelle, your turn again.
Vito!
Let's go.
Well, I won't be shocked na pinili ako ni Michelle kasi syempre, kadugo ko. So, and ngayon lang kami nag-meet actually.
Yo, step on over for team acceleration. And another one to add for team power. Joshua, go ahead.
Sure.
Feeling ko kasi pipiliin niya ako talaga eh. Kasi friends kami ni Patricia, tapos nung pagkarating ko pa lang dito, parang kaming tatlo na yung laging nag-uusap talaga.
And Michelle, to complete your lineup for team acceleration, who will it be?
Kim.
Kim.
Yes, ma'am!
I felt honored to be a part of their team because I really didn't expect it. Because when we were in the suite, it was me and sila Pat and sila Josh talking.
And Joshua,
Yeah.
of course, you're going to be getting. All right. There you go.
Sadly, ako yung last na na-pick. Pero di naman sa akin nag-bother yun.
The lineup of your teams are ready for the next challenge. So good luck, boys and girls. Good luck, celebrity racers. And we're gonna have more fun, more excitement in the next stage of our Young Drivers Program, Celebrity Showdown, brought to you by Phoenix Pulse Technology. It's the Phoenix Pulse Young Drivers Program Celebrity Showdown, back at it with another challenge, this time courtesy of our friends from GT Tires, featuring GT Tires Tire Change Challenge. And you'll get all the information you need on how to become a very efficient team with the help of our friend from Twassen Racing, Coach Mike Twassen right over here. Yeah, he will hook you up with information on how to become a very efficient team, like what Phoenix Pulse is doing to your vehicle. It makes it run efficiently, right? As a team, you gotta be doing the same thing. So good luck when it comes to being the #1 team for this challenge, the GT Tires Tire Change Challenge.
Alam mo yung experience ko sa tire change kasi napapanood ko lang yung mga ganon, mga gumagawa talaga ng tire change. Yung gano'n ka-hectic. Sa mga nanonood, feeling nga napakadali. Pero pag ikaw na ang gumagawa, napakahirap.
So, tatanggalin yung bolts.
Maraming beses na akong nakakita ng mga nagta-tire change. Ako mismo, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Pero kasi dahil lagi kong nakikita, feeling ko kaya ko siyang gawin. So, ayun, hindi naman ako masyadong kinabahan.
And then after nyan, tighten. So don't forget the change. Guys, tighten is to the right, okay? To the right, okay? Turn to the right, clockwise.
Clockwise.
And then when you're gonna tighten, switch this, yes.
Since si Joshua kasi yung nanalo and pumili sa amin, siya na yung ginawa naming leader. So kung ano yung sabihin ni Joshua, nakikinig kami, tapos adjust lang. Katulad ko, hindi naman ako malakas. So dapat dun lang ako sa support lang. Since si Simon yung malakas, dapat siya yung magbubuhat. Tapos si Cher, dahil hindi siya sure kung anong pwede niyang gawin, siya yung nag-volunteer na nandun sa harapan, yung magtataas.
Nice one. Sige.
Chill. Kaya.
We were kind of confused with what strategy we were going with, and we were also confused with the instructions of who's putting back the tire, who's putting out the tire. The task that I had to do was for a guy, because you really need to lift up the V1 car. So I needed Vito's help with it.
Ako naman.
yung iba sa amin first time lang magpalit
Mag-tire
ng
change.
tayo.
Oo.
So kailangan pa nila talaga mag-adjust. Tinanap na namin yung parang strong suit ng bawat isa kung saan kami nag-excel, kung ano yung kaya namin gawin. And kumbaga, doon kami nag-focus kung paano kayo mas maging efficient. Kasi
Kung saan yung strength and
yan yung
weaknesses ng
strength
bawat.
nila.
But teamwork talaga yung number one.
And
Tulungan kami sa lahat.
Justin,
Hey!
kailangan makinig sa isa't isa and be attentive
Communication talaga.
yung sa mga
Dapat
nangyayari.
alert lang lagi.
So yun, we're done with the tire challenge. So guys, how do you guys do? It was fun.
I love doing something for the first time.
Actually, adrenaline rush eh.
Siyempre, may time na iniisip. So you have to do it double time, syempre.
It makes me wonder how they do it nga in real life. Eh, kasi 4 gulong na kailangan nila palitan. Kami, we only did 1. So, it was a good challenge, diba? And I think we all did good.
Yep. Let's go.
Team
Good job, Red Team.
acceleration.
Well, you guys got separated by just 3 seconds. Yes, 3 seconds. The win goes to, with a time of the 57.76, Team Get ready for more Pulse racing action in the next episode of Phoenix Pulse Young Drivers Program Celebrity Showdown. Phoenix Pulse Young Drivers Program Celebrity Showdown would not be possible without Phoenix Petroleum Philippines, Tuason Racing, GT Philippines, Family Mart, Limitless. We'd also like to thank Peugeot, Apex Sim Racing, and Clark International Speedway.
Every time I'm on the road, I can also expect high performance from Phoenix Fuels. We made it! Now with Pulse technology, delivers enhanced power and acceleration to make every trip come alive.
Download the Limitless app today.